Hey guys, what's up? It's YouTube channel here. This is my Tucson Park premiere here. Nature premiere here. Tucson Park nature premiere here. And I'll be showing you the wake here of this park here and tomorrow nature here too. Second here. So let me know in the chat here how you guys are doing today here on this beautiful Saturday or Monday morning here. How you guys doing on this Monday morning here when you're watching this premiere here at 10 a.m. Monday morning here on my channel here and stuff. So yeah, and please don't forget to like. Forget to like, comment, subscribe here, and turn the bell on here, and turn reminders on here on my channel here, so you'll my YouTube channel here, so miss my premieres here and watchings here. So yeah, here. So here are the ducks here. We'll see 4 ducks here at this park here. So yeah, and I'm gonna show you these other ducks here too, and stuff. So yeah, so we see all these ducks over here. So yeah. I see all these ducks swimming over here, enjoying their time over here and stuff. So yeah, let me know what is your favorite nature. What's your favorite thing about nature here? And stuff. So yeah, and so. Yeah. So that's how fine here right now. So yeah. So yeah. So yeah. So yeah, and tell me what you guys facing to do at the park too here. And just some out here, my group home here. They'll be buying tickets to the zoo here, so we're making more zoo premieres here at Dewey Park Zoo here. So yeah, I'm talking about zoo premieres. Also, we're making zoo premieres about zoo and stuff. I like getting zoo animals and stuff also here and stuff. So nature is really awesome, amazing here because God makes amazing animals here. He does. He really does here. He really does here. And God made the waters here, and God made the animals here, and God made all these beautiful nature animals here. So yeah, that's really awesome here for this year. So this video is gonna be for 20 minutes here today. This premiere is gonna be for 20 minutes today. So yeah, this is the channel here. So yeah, and let's go to this premiere for Monday here at 10 a.m. here in the morning here. This one's going to premiere on my YouTube channel here. So please turn those reminders here on Tim in the morning here. Please make sure time tomorrow is on this weekend here or on Monday here at 10 in the morning here on my YouTube channel here. And make sure to share this to this premiere to your friends, family, and loved ones here. And to everyone here, make sure to come watch this premiere here. Tucson Nature premiere from Monday morning at 10 a.m. here. And make sure I have a YouTube channel here and stuff. Make sure to give me a like and comment below what's your favorite part about this YouTube channel here. And this premiere here. And stuff like that. So yeah. And make sure to